December 18th, about 3 o'clock. Got an extra late start today. Drove down here to Hollins, one of my go-to spots. Didn't check the map before I got here. Realized they're having a deer hunt on the side of the management area that I normally hunt. So was forced to come find some new territory over here. Spot looks good, and well, we have just treated squirrels, so let's go down here and see what we find. But brand new spot, never unloaded a dog here before, never even been down this road. Took me a little while to find some woods that I liked. So we're gonna go down here and check Sassy's tree out, and if we find one, we will show it to you on the ground. Good job, Sass. All right, so we found that one. That's right out of the truck. Good start. Made a good shot. Looks like we gave that a headache. So, all right, we're gonna move on and see if we can find another one. This little rainy day may pay off. "230 yards, retreat again." I'll be back. Just seen a piece of bark fall. That could have been a squirrel's worst mistake. Let's check him out. Bring her here, girl. Come here. Mine. 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 Good job. That's a good girl. Good girl, Sass. All right, number 2, folks. Let me give you a little bit of setup on this deal here. Like I say, it's about 3. It's a little after 3, probably closer to 3:30 now. We've got 2 on the ground so far. Brand new spot. Never been here before, and it's hot today. It's like 70 degrees right now. It's been warm all day. Had rain blowing through. It was coming a heavy rain on my way down here. And my intentions coming down here was to put out a trail cam and scout for some coons. Me and a buddy of mine have been talking about doing a little coon hunt, and I don't want to come out here and spend all night roaming around in the woods, so kind of get an idea if there are coons in the area and what time they might be moving. Make life a little easier for us. But anyway, yeah. Warm, rainy, which the rain is pushed out. It's very overcast right now. And hey, we're just having a ball down here. So hopefully we'll get another one before we have to go back to the truck. And we'll see y'all at the tailgate. $120. It's 3:25 p.m. This will be tree number 3. Let's go see what we can get here. Well, I knew my flat walking couldn't last forever. Up the hill we go. I see the squirrel right in that fork. Be back in a sec. Bring him here, girl. Bring him here. That's a good girl. It's a good job, Sass. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. All right. 3:35. Who'd have thought it, man? Oh, a hot, rainy day like this. And they seem to be moving and staying put. one of those days you don't get a break. Let's see where we at. That one's 214, 219. She's still working the track a little bit. She'll settle in, and I'll catch y'all at the tree. Be back. Boy, she's making me work for this one. I came through a mess. We almost had it. There is a dog in amongst all that mess. And she seems to think that it went up that little broke off snaggy tree. There's a lot of places to hide, so let me cut this thing off, see what we can do with it. Talk to it, girl. Where is this thing? Good girl. Talk to him, girl. Yeah. Yeah. So far, we're 3 out of 4. So, hey, we don't tree anything else. It has been a doggone good day out here in the squirrel woods. .407, about 159, 160. As you can see, she's probably going to tell me it's in that tree, but I've seen her barking on that big tree and a little tree in the middle of it. So all you can do is just give it a good look over, pick you out 2 or 3 of these trees that she seems to be focused in on the most, and let's just see what happens. So I'll be back if we get it. Here we go. I think that squirrel just bailed. Yeah, I see it jumping there. Going into the big tree. Going up. I'll have to keep my eye on this. She can't timber worth a flip. Alright, so I kind of lost the squirrel. I got an idea which tree it's in, but I was hoping I could catch some behavior here in my dog in case you experience this. But see how she's sitting? Just barking up in the air. That's because she's seen that squirrel moving. And I only know this because I've been with this dog about 5 or 6 years, and I've been able to see her do this. But she has watched that squirrel leave the tree that she found it in other words. And she is just not sure which one it went into now because she don't have the scent trail really to back it up. But she knows it's over here somewhere in this area right there. I think it's going to be in that tree right there, the bigger one out of the group. That's the last place I've seen it. There is a nest right here. You can't see it really good there, but so I think it was trying to get there. I never seen it come to the nest. So we're gonna give this thing a good look. This will be the last tree of the day anyway, and we're gonna call it. But yeah, that little squirrel timbered from somewhere right in here, right in this area. But all right, here we go. Well, we're on our way back to the truck. Not very far. I can see the truck from here. And she done run over here and sniffed her out something else.